In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Indeed account private. If you've been job searching for a while, you probably know that your Indeed profile can be visible to employers and sometimes even to recruiters you're not interested in. Making your account private gives you more control over who can see your information and when. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the settings you need to change so you can feel confident that your profile is only as visible as you want it to be. First, make sure you're logged into your Indeed account. This might sound obvious, but it's an easy step to overlook. Open your browser, go to the Indeed website, and sign in with your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is the hub of your account where you can see your recent searches, saved jobs, and application history. From the dashboard, look toward the top of the page for your account area. Depending on the layout, this might appear as your profile picture, your initials inside a small circle, or simply a label that says account or similar. Click on that. This is where you'll find all the main personal and profile related settings tied to your Indeed account. After you click your account, you'll need to go to your profile. This is the page that shows your resume details, work history, skills, and any other information you've chosen to share with potential employers. It's the part of your account that other people might see, so it's also where your visibility settings live. Click on profile to open it. Once you're on your profile page, take a moment to look around. You'll usually see your name, headline, and a summary of your work experience. What we want to focus on here is the privacy option, and this is typically found somewhere on the profile page, often near the top or in a settings or preferences area. Look for a label related to privacy, visibility, or who can see your profile. When you find the privacy option, click into it. This section controls whether your profile is public or private. A public profile means employers and recruiters can search for and view your information. A private profile means your details are hidden from public searches and employers can't view your profile unless you share it directly, for example, by applying to a job. To make your Indeed account private, turn off public visibility of your profile. This might be a toggle switch you slide off, a checkbox you uncheck, or a radio button where you choose a private or hidden option. Once you change this, your profile is no longer publicly visible in the Indeed resume database. After you've turned off public visibility, take a second to confirm that the setting has been saved. Often the page will update with a note indicating that your profile is now private or hidden. If there's a save or confirm button, make sure you click it so your changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully made your Indeed account private by going from your dashboard into your account, opening your profile, finding the privacy option, and turning off public visibility.